Installing Power iDesktop. Download Power iDesktop from the Microsoft website or Microsoft Store. Ensure system requirements. Windows 10 11, 64-bit OS at least 4 RAM recommended. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Launching Power iDesktop. Open Power iDesktop from the Start menu. Sign in with your Microsoft account for full features. Explore the interface, including the ribbon, report view, and data view. Configuring Power iSettings. Set up regional settings for currency and date format. Enable tow recovery and save preferences. Connect to cloud services like OneDrive or SharePoint for seamless data access.